Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of Advanced React WordPress Theme Development. In the previous video, we learned about how to create the load more functionality, and in this video, we're going to set up the ESLint. So we're going to install some of the packages like babel-eslint. So let's add that. So I'm going to go over here and run yarn add babel-eslint, then eslint-config WordPress, because we would like to use the WordPress configuration of the ESLint. That way you don't have to worry about the configuration settings and stuff. Then ESLint loader, and then ESLint plugin.js doc, and then finally the ESLint plugin React. And this will be dev dependencies, so I'll put -d because it's not required in production mode. And then we also need to add these to our package.json. So I'm going to go to the package.json and just add these over here, like so. All right, so what this is going to do is, once you install and set up the ESLint, is going to run the ESLint, is going to run that on the source components and all the files inside of it. So inside of components, whatever file we have is going to run on that. Is going to run on the source utils as well as the pages directory. And then when we want to fix it, we just do eslint fix and the same path for the files. Okay. And then before you commit, I've added a pre-commit script, which is npm run clean fix and then npm run build. Okay, great. And then we also need to add some configurations. So this will be your ESLint RC configuration. So I'm going to use this ESLint rc.json. So I'm going to go to front end and say .eslint rc.json, and I'm just going to paste this configuration. So there's just a bunch of configuration extending WordPress, parser options, and then env rules, all of the rules, etc. Okay, like no tabs and no undefined, etc. Once that is done, all I have to do is just run npm run lint fix, and it's going to go and run it. And you can see that you've got mixed spaced tabs issues that you need to fix. So it has fixed many of them. However, there are some of them that you need to fix. So let's hit this one by one. So we need to go to the slug.js. So let's copy this. And then I'm going to close these two and then go over here and just fix the indentation. Which else? Header nav.js. So right there, fix the indentation. Then you have the SEO index.js, which is this one, and it's complaining about the camel casing of the site name, and we can do an eslint ignore. We're just going to do eslint disable on the line above this, and then just below this we'll do eslint enable. Okay. And then we go to utils redirect.js, and finally fix the indentation issue, and then just rerun this once again. So npm run clean fix. There you go, congratulations, we don't have any errors and it has gone ahead and fixed everything for you. All right, awesome, this is great. So I hope you did like the video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And you're going to find the code for this inside of the Next.js headless WordPress repository. And please do star my repository to support my work. Thanks to all the beautiful 107 people for supporting my work. And please follow me on GitHub. My GitHub handle is imranhsayed, and follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Codeytek. All right, then I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.